Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys if you can change your username or your name on Etoro. First things first, I do assume that you are already logged in into your Etoro account like I already did. And from here, if you click on your profile, you can see that you'll be on this type of screen where all your overview, stats and portfolio will appear here and you are able to take on it. So from here, on the left side of your screen, scroll down until you see a option for settings. After clicking on settings, you can simply go on to the account option. Here there is a place for your username right here, but there is no option for change like on the other options on your email, your password. Because once you set your username or name on your Etoro, it cannot be changed. Unfortunately, that's reality right now. I hope you guys find the information of our video helpful on you cannot change your name right now on Etoro. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.